Body Booster presents Planks Plans for Beginners. In today's video, I am going to share a perfect plank plan for beginners. If you are a beginner, then must follow this plan to get amazing results in short time period. So, don't miss any step and watch the video till end. Planks are a fantastic exercise for building core strength. To perform a basic plank, start in a push-up position, with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core muscles, glutes, and legs to maintain a straight posture. Keep your neck in line with your spine, looking down at the floor to avoid straining your neck. Hold this position, keeping your body stable and avoiding sagging hips or raised hips. Breathe evenly while holding the plank. Let's start discussing simple plank plan for beginners. Day 1. Start with a 20-second plank. Rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for a total of 3 sets. Day 2. Increase your time, perform a 25-second plank. Rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for a total of 3 sets. Day 3. Add sets to a 25-second plank. Rest for 25 seconds. Repeat for a total of 4 sets. Day 4. Progress further, perform a 30-second plank. Rest for 25 seconds. Repeat for 4 sets. Day 5. Do a 30-second plank. Rest for 20 seconds. Repeat for 4 sets. Follow this plan for 2 weeks. Week 3 to 4. Increase the duration of plank to 20 to 30 seconds and aim for 3 to 4 sets with short breaks. Week 5 to 6. Gradually work your way up to holding the plank for 30 to 45 seconds. Continue with 3 to 4 sets. Week 7 and beyond. As you gain strength and confidence, you can aim to hold a plank for 1 minute or longer. Still, stick with 3 to 4 sets. In the end, I want to say that listen to your body and avoid overexertion. If you feel any discomfort or pain, stop immediately. It's important to progress at your own pace and ensure that your form is correct to avoid strain or injury. If you're uncertain about how to perform planks properly, consider seeking guidance from a fitness professional.